A Tucson, Arizona shingle roof replacement can feel like a big decision, especially if you're not sure whether you really need a new roof or just another repair. I'm from Golden Roofing, Arizona, and we help homeowners figure this out every single day. Here in the desert, your roof faces intense sun, big temperature swings, dust, and monsoon winds. Shingles that might last decades in cooler climates can dry out, crack, and lose granules much faster. From the ground, everything may look fine, but up close, we often find missing shingles, soft spots, or old patch jobs that hide bigger issues. So when is a Pima County, Arizona shingle roof replacement the better option? When your roof is near the end of its life, damage is spread across large areas, or you're seeing repeated leaks. A complete roof replacement often costs less in the long run than constant repairs and interior damage. At Golden Roofing, Arizona, we start with a free inspection and clear photos, then give you a detailed written estimate. We explain what absolutely needs to be done, what can wait, and whether insurance or financing might help. Our crews are trained on leading shingle systems designed for Arizona's climate, so your new roof isn't just newer, it's built to perform better. If you're unsure about the roof on your home, contact Golden Roofing Arizona for a free Tucson, Arizona shingle roof inspection and replacement estimate, and get straightforward answers before the next storm rolls through.